Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So do you want to add your Instagram leads directly in your Google Sheets? Then this video is definitely for you. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. I'm going to generate a test lead for my Instagram ad campaign using Meta's lead ads testing tool. I'm promoting my campaign using the page that is Natural Glow Skincare. I will select it, and the form is Natural Lead Ads form using which the leads are generated. Then I'm going to click on this preview form button to generate a test lead. So this is the form using which I will be generating the test lead. Firstly, it is asking for me to select the skin type. I have a combination skin type, so I will select it. First name over here, let's suppose, is going to be new. For the last name, I will write over here as customer. Okay. For the email, I'll write it as new3434@pabblytunes.com. Okay. After that, over here it is asking for my phone number. So for the phone number over here, I will enter a dummy mobile number right here. Okay. And then simply I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit button to generate a test lead. Using this tool, we can generate the test lead to check whether the workflow is working or not. Okay. It says thank you for submitting the form. This means the lead is generated. If I'm going to open my Google Sheets right over here, you will find the record of the leads details has been created. You can see the name is new customer, email is new3434@pabblytunes.com with the dummy mobile number and the skin type as combination. Okay. So as now this lead has been created over here as a record. So this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. And now we're going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. On a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. And as soon as you're going to do that, you can see Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. There are two options for you, that is sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. But if you're an existing user, just the way I am, sign into your Pabbly Connect account directly from here. Okay. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section, and as I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button, and then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, click on this Create Workflow button. Over here, you will find two options to create a workflow. If you want a workflow to be more modern, faster, and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. Okay, I will select the new beta method version right here. And for the name of my workflow, I will give it as automatically add Instagram leads to Google Sheets. This is the name of my workflow. For the folder, these are the folders. To create your own folder, you have to click on this plus button right here. I'm going to select the workflows folder and then click on this create workflow button. Okay, the workflow is then going to be created inside Pabbly Connect workflows. There are two major steps, that is trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. Firstly, for the trigger application, what I will do is I will select over here as Instagram lead ads. Okay, I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through the ad campaign that I'm running with my Instagram lead ads account, automatically this trigger should capture the response of that. Event is going to be new lead instant. Then click on this connect button. This window is going to appear on which you can select the existing connection from before if you want, but I will tell you how you can add a new one. Click on this connect with Instagram lead ads button to create the connection, and then it is asking for me to continue with this account. This is the account that I have connected my Instagram account with, so I will click on this continue button right over here and on this button right here. As soon as I've done that, automatically Instagram lead ads is going to be connected. The process was super simple and easy because I've already logged into my Instagram account as well as on my Facebook account. So the connection process becomes very easy. Okay. Firstly, it is asking for us to select the page. Now what is this page? This is a Facebook page using which I have created the ad campaign. This Facebook page that I have, that is Natural Glow Skincare, I have connected this page with my Instagram account, that is Jessie Matthew. If you want to see on your ads manager, you will see right over here that I have connected this page right over here that I have with my Instagram account. Okay, these are the same details of the Instagram and Facebook page you can see right here. Okay, so you need to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page through which you will be running your ad campaigns. Okay, so for the page over here, I will select it as Natural Glow Skincare that I've created. For the form, I have created a form in the name of Natural Glow Lead Gen form. So I'll select this Natural Glow Lead Ad forms right over here. After selecting the page and the form, as I want the simple response, I'm going to toggle this button and click on this Save and Send Test test request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Instagram lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, again I will generate a test lead. For that, again open Meta's lead ads testing tool. Firstly, we have to delete the existing lead that we have created using this form before in the starting of this video, because it says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one, okay, as we can only create one lead per form. So I'll delete the existing lead from here. It says your lead has been deleted. Now I will refresh this page, okay. Now let us generate a test lead. For the page, I will select it as natural glow skincare right here and the form as well. Then click on this preview form button. So this is the form that we have created. For the skin type, I will select over here, let's suppose as dry, okay. For the first name, I will enter over here as best. For the last name over here, I'm going to enter it as lead, okay. For the email, I'll enter over here as best455@pabblytudes.com, okay. Now for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right over here. And then simply I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to generate the test lead. The test lead is generated, okay. Now if I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, it will take few seconds for the response to be captured, and within few seconds in front of you the response has been received. Skin type is dry, first name is best, last name is lead, email is best55@pabblytudes.com, and this is the dummy phone number, okay, with all the other details as well. So as now this response has been captured, now let us create the record of this response in our Google Sheets. For that, add an action step right over here, in which for the action application, select over here as Google Sheets, okay. And over here, the event is going to be add new row. Then click on this connect button. If you want, you can again select the existing connection from before, but I'll teach you how you can create a new one. Click on this sign in with Google button right over here. Then it is going to ask you to choose your account that you want to connect with Pabbly Connect. This is my account. I will select it. Then it is asking for the permission for this account, for which I will click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Spreadsheet over here is going to be leads, details, and the sheet is going to be sheet 1. So I'm going to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. Then it is asking for all the details like name, email, phone number, and the skin type. Now for the data of these fields, I will map the data. Now over here, click on this field right over here. Then you will find the previous response. Click on it. You will find the name right here. So I will select the data of the name and the last name from my previous response. Now as I've selected this data from my previous response, this data right over here in the field has been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Similarly, I'm going to map the data of the other details like the email address, phone number, as well as the skin type as well. So I map the data right over here. After selecting and mapping all the details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. You will receive the ID. That means it's a positive response. So go towards the Google Sheets and you will see right over here the record of the leads details has been created in my Google Sheets. Name is best lead, email is best55@pabblytudes.com, the dummy mobile number, and the skin type is dry, okay. As now this record is created, this means the connection between Instagram lead ads and Google Sheets is now been successfully created with the help of Pabbly Connect. So did you see how simple it was to build this connection? So why don't you automate your process of adding your leads data in your Google Sheets without you lifting up your finger? So go ahead and automate the entire process today using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to this workflow that I have created in this video, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. If you want to use this workflow link as a reference for your business, you will find the shareable link in the description section below. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.